80% of the box, it is in Chinese.
I mean...
Smell it. Holy shit. Boom! What? I don't know how to pronounce it. It's
Temu or Temu?
If it's in Spanish, I would say a Temu. But if it's in English, I believe it's Temu. Right? Is it Temu? Let me roll my sleeves. I feel like it's Christmas Day. And then I'm seeing here, they have a plastic bag with their name in it too.
Interesting.
I don't know, I'm a package whore here. Item number 1. Here is a makeup bag. It comes flat like this. That's cute. This one, they call it a large makeup bag organizer. How cheap is that? It comes in pink and it says, enjoy the process of love. Very cute. And it's very lightweight and it's actually, and it has a handle, which I think is kind of nice. Continuamos. Here I have a jewelry box. I think it's kind of neat if you actually have a lot of jewelry like me. You know, I love to accessorize, but sometimes during the day, I just kind of like, I want to just take something off for whatever reason. So in my handbag, that's going to be very helpful. Not a bad price. And here you can hang your necklace, it looks like. It has a square so you can put your earrings, and then in here you can just do your rings. There you have it. It did hold my rings. That for a gift, I think it's just not bad at all. It has 7,083 reviews and 287,000 units sold. Woo! We got pink and we got black. Right here, this is for a present. And that would be cute. Love it. Temu, you have not disappointed. If you suffer from shadow fallout when you do your makeup, especially when you do smoky eye or if when you do your liquid eye wing, well, that'd be very helpful. 10 pieces. I mean, 80% of the box, it is in Chinese.
I mean, there's a lot more to it.
This is a caviar eye mask. This one retails for $4.49. It is called Zusan Caviar Elasticity Hydrating Eye Mask. They both retail for $4.49. 15,603 reviews on this one here. 335,000 units sold. So I'm gonna be trying some caviar. There's this spatula that comes with it. There's no instructions at all, so I don't know what the spatula is for. Oh, just to take it out of this. I have a lot of product in it. Oh, holy moly. Smell it. It smells good. I'm gonna keep them for how long? Doesn't say in English. Alright. I'm gonna give them for like 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
So far, they feel very hydrating. They feel actually like a good quality. So I am impressed with the way it feels and how much of the serum or whatever that is, it is included in the jar. So far, first reaction, it seems good. So I'm gonna wait 2 minutes and see what happens to my eyes and see if they don't. So here it is, the eye patch. It comes loaded with product. That's a good thing. Been 10 minutes. And so far, no reaction. It feels good. And it's actually not sticky or not like greasy or anything. It's just very, just like a little serum. Maybe another could find in Temu. Okay, it works. It comes with a little brush, I guess, just to clean it. It comes with a charger. It has 6,339 reviews. Almost 5 stars, by the way. 154,000 units sold. 3 lip glosses. It's like 3 pieces set. It came a pink one. It's like a red and orange. Holy shit. Okay. You guys, you know, I know about makeup, but this is like a matte velvet lipstick, and I just put a little bit and went boom. Wow. And this is just like in here, it's like a simple mauve pink color, but it looks just a little bit more bright. What? Wow. So it barely transferred. Shut the front door. 3 glosses that are long lasting, long wearing, matte. You can beat it. Wow, this love. Actually, I went just downstairs. I gave one to my mother because she was like, excuse me, what are you wearing? What is that color?
You are talking about me.
Alrighty, so here I have an eyeshadow palette. It's called Ultra Secret Best Land. And you can see the amount of colors there are in here. Bunch of colors. A lot of bright ones for sure. So I look on the website and unfortunately they don't have it. They're actually out of this one specifically, but there's a lot of other palettes ranging from $3.39 for 10 eyeshadows, $2.89, $1.49. I mean, very inexpensive. Will it work? Okay, so it's like a matted pink. It's coloring. Okay, so definitely you can work it in and get some color. If you don't want to spend a lot of money, maybe for your daughter, she's learning how to do makeup, want to play with makeup, you cannot beat it.
I need makeup, man. Bring me the makeup.
So here we have another Vincenter liquid lipstick. See? This one feels a little bit more moist. The only thing that I noticed, the color. Look at the... Oh my gosh, I look like a prostitute. In the camera, in person, it is more like a mauve. This is how it looks on my lips. Totally different than on the packaging. Do I hate it? Absolutely not. It has a lot of pigment, like just a little bit, you get a lot of color. It has color, they're pigmented. So I have a glass water cup that I got in here. Here it is. This is actually made out of bamboo based on the website. Let me put my Gatorade in here. I should have rinsed the cup before. Don't judge me. Whoa. The blades are made in Japan. This is foam. This is not easy to cut. Huh. It cuts. It works. So this one, it is I almost freaking broke myself. The battle of the kitchen scissors. Alright, this one here, it is the one from $8 and something. It is more expensive because it feels more substantial and it is longer and it has a lock there for security. It looks like they could be made from the same company. They look pretty much alike. Looking for kitchen scissors, they have that too. Looking for a new handbag, voila. Morocco embossed, high polish. So here's the black, here's the brown. They both are beautiful. It looks like it's very structured. Actually, even has the legs at the bottom. Great, nice finish. The little detail tag in here is like that. I think I call it the Monaco style bag or something like that. Look at that. The bags come with a strap. Very expensive looking, yet not expensive. And I just opened this baggie of lavender plants. They're meant to be for outdoors. It comes in a pack of 5. I am gonna head downstairs right now and try them out in the yard and see what it looks like outside. Oh my gosh, I've been so busy today, like running everywhere. I'm gonna take you to the yard. Come on. Over here. They're easy. And that. And it adds the color. If you want to put them on a covered patio, I think it's going to last way longer. Just put them in a jar, and a mason jar would be very cool as well. How cute is that? You don't have to worry about watering them, and it makes your life so much easier. Oh, this is one of those ferns that just you can actually do on top of your cabinets. Not bad. Quality-wise, I would say it's pretty decent. It has like a little sheen look to it. Quality-wise, I think it's gonna hold pretty well if you have it on a covered patio. I think that will work best or indoors. More flowers, more flowers. They're beautiful. Here is a different kind that comes with this raffia. Not bad actually. And they're pretty. Or you can tie them up all together like this. So this is a sweater here. Very nice. Actually, this is for ladies. So that's why I ordered it in a large so I can actually wear it. It feels good, like a good material. So far, not complaining on the fabric. This is pretty. I like that. And it feels good. It's almost like a little texture or something to it. Never lose faith. It comes with a pouch. Handle, it is really short. These are definitely good for your handbag for traveling. You just have to get used to the length probably of the handle. I don't know, I might be able to do a makeup with this. What do you think? Oh my gosh, this is totally inspired of a brand that starts with a D. You know which one I'm talking about? I mean, the same handle and everything. Literally almost the same. If you're a beauty lover, this is a high-end designer that starts with a D. Very expensive, obviously. And the packaging, it is almost identical. Do you know which one it is? It smells good. It smells like fruit punch. And one box you get 3 of the same. Okay, so I'm ready to play with some colors here. I'm gonna use their eyeshadow palette, the short handle brush. You know how much I love makeup. There's some blue eyeshadow. So far I gotta show you guys, the experience has not been bad at all. I got approached by Temu to actually do this video, and I never tried their stuff before. I mean, shopping on their website. So I like the fact that they offer free shipping. Things actually get delivered pretty quickly. They're based out of Boston, which I didn't know.
And I never had a Boston accent.
I think that they're pretty solid. Nothing to complain about. So I'm trying it with this, and it doesn't bother me that the handle is not that long, but I'm not used to it. I rather use a longer handle. Now for traveling, it's just convenient. On the bristle, how do they feel? They feel pretty good actually. The eyeshadow, it is not gonna be the best eyeshadow in the world. It feels too matted for my taste. It's like an eye patch. Yeah, I'm digging this. Let me just remove the tape and see how this works. Ow. Ow, 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 ow. Okay. The tape, the adhesive that they use is not cheap, you guys. So, just be careful. And word of advice, do your foundation last, because it's gonna pull all your concealer and foundation if you do that first. That's the only thing with those tapes. But they hold, they're not gonna move. As an overall, for the price point that you guys are going to pay for these items, it is not bad at all. So this is something that is actually new to me. I'm new to Temu, and if you're new to it, there's over thousands of reviews per items. There is a lot to choose from, but it looks like they move merchandise pretty quickly. So if you order something, you might not receive specifically the same item. You might get something maybe very close to what you order. A good thing also that they do is that they offer free shipping, and you can return the item. So if you get something that it wasn't exactly what you order, you can return it and they're gonna give you your money back. So it looks like they're getting way better reviews than on the past. So things are improving for them. This year, definitely Temu is coming big. Watch out those other stores out there, because I think this brand, it has a lot of potential. I think it's gonna get better and better. I am ready to place another order. So for next week, stay tuned, because this was just part 1 of my Temu collaboration. Next week, let's see what surprises I'm gonna be on those boxes, and if they're gonna continue to hold my good review with them. So hopefully do not disappoint me for next week. Alright, I'm gonna open those boxes and hopefully everything is good. So I will see you again next week for part 2. And in the meantime, if you have any questions, feel free to leave the comments right now, right below. Just go shop, check it out.
I was doing some online shopping and
not expensive. Start with 1 or 2 items just to see what is your experience, what is your opinion about it. In my case, I love it. Loving actually this glass. This came from them as well. There are some items that I absolutely love. If you have not subscribed, do not wait to subscribe. Hit the like button, leave your comments, and I will see you on my next video. Actually, see you next week right here on the same channel, on the same spot. Alright, love you all. Spread love, not hate. And I'll see you next week. Alright, take care. Bye.